Hey everyone, let's dive into some breaking news from South Asia. Today, Pakistan successfully conducted a training launch of its Abdali weapon system, a surface-to-surface missile with a range of 450 kilometers. This launch is a part of the ongoing military exercise known as X-Indus. The missile launch was aimed at ensuring the operational readiness of Pakistan's troops and validating key technical parameters like its advanced navigation system and enhanced maneuverability. The event was witnessed by high-ranking officials from the Army Strategic Forces Command, scientists and engineers. Pakistan's President Asif Ali Zardari, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, and other top military leaders expressed their congratulations to everyone involved. They emphasized their confidence in the operational readiness and technical proficiency of Pakistan's strategic forces to ensure credible minimum deterrence and safeguard national security. This test launch comes at a time of heightened tensions between nuclear-armed neighbors Pakistan and India. Just days ago, on April 22nd, a deadly attack in Pahalgam, Indian-administered Kashmir, resulted in 26 fatalities, mostly tourists. India has hinted at Pakistani involvement, although no evidence has been provided. On the other hand, Pakistan has denied these claims and called for a neutral investigation. Following the attack, both countries have ramped up their military postures. India has granted its military operational freedom, while Pakistan has reinforced its forces, responding to shelling across the line of control in Azad Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan's Chief of Army Staff, General Asim Munir, warned that any misadventure by India would be met with a swift and resolute response. Analysts like Hassan Askari Rizvi see this missile launch as a warning shot to both India and the international community, showcasing Pakistan's preparedness and military capabilities. In addition, diplomatic efforts are underway, with the United States and the European Union urging both nations to de-escalate the situation. To add context, this isn't Pakistan's first show of strength in recent times. Back in August 2024, Pakistan successfully launched the Shaheen-2 surface-to-surface ballistic missile. So, what do you think about this escalating situation? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and